Alrighty, this session should be pretty good. We have a unfilled 15 below for potential longs, and then we have the relative equal highs above as our target for those. And then if we break the 15, we have LRLR below down here. So, sorry, not there. Where was it? Here. Right, this is kind of something. So a lot of liquidity down here. Actually, I can extend this one line further too. So LRLR there, relative equal highs above. In order for me to take a trade, I would need to see us come back to the 15. And then from there, what about now? Can you see now? Okay, great. And then from there, we'll just kind of see. I won't take anything up here. Maybe there's a chase play if we inverse the 5 in this last 1 minute. We should just go to that, those relative equal highs. But that's at your discretion to take. I don't think I'll take that. And then, yeah, I mean, potential entry for me, dream scenario would be like pull back to the 15. And then maybe a long from there. And then, I don't know, we'll see. So here's 130. I think the shorts from this high could be good as well because we'd be delivering out of a higher time frame gap with liquidity below. So the shorts from here, the longs from down here would be good. Obviously, it kind of just looks like we want to go up now. But yeah. Left equal highs. So I forgot to check the 5 here. So we haven't inversed the 5. I think if we inverse this 1, this will just probably take us to the equal highs there, or relative equal. Can you guys see my screen? Just want to make sure. Discord's been weird lately. Okay. AM plays, yeah. The AM plays this morning were the 1 minute short, obviously, and then maybe the 3 minute long if you really had conviction in the longs there. Other than that, I don't really know what else would have been a good play. I think that was about it for the AM. Maybe something up here, but I don't know. At that point, I think the session was over. So yeah, this looks like we're just going to pump to the highs. Target is like 412.50. So I guess we'll see. Don't know if we closed above there. I don't think so. Looks like we closed to the tick. See, it doesn't look like we're going to get the close above yet. Maybe the next candle or something. Might see like a stop run beforehand. That sometimes happens when we get up this high. I feel like it makes sense though to just run this. I mean, when we're this close, all we have left is like the 15-minute here to hold, I guess. 5-minute, I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah, 5-minute too. So yeah, we'll see. $30 short from the SMT top. What are we talking about here? This one? Or do I like this long? No. Obviously not. No, it's too high up. Yeah, I don't know what 30-second short we're talking about. You took the 15-second long at 11:30 out of the 15-minute this guy. I really liked the play here on the 1-minute, the SMT long. I thought that was really good. You guys took that at 12:27, but obviously during lunch. We had an unfilled 15-minute there too. So that was kind of like your draw. Okay, so 1-minute close above finally. This should just be good to go now.
Yo.
What up?
Yo.
Oh, wait. Let me turn my headphones on. What's going on?
I'm gonna stream PM with you all day.
Okay, sounds good. You want to take over for me, actually? I have to kind of get off early.
I'm just kidding.
Oh, okay, nice.
I'm going to play tennis at 2:30.
Okay. Well, you can hang
I just
until
want
then.
to see what I just wanted to see what people in chat would say.
Oh. I don't know. What do you guys think? Sound good?
Some of them are like, no. Dude, how do we not run that trend line liquidity?
We're going to after we take the equal highs here, or the relative equal. That's my goal. That's my goal for PMs to take a short down to there.
I don't know how those one ran, bro.
Hey, you want to chase here?
I mean, it's gonna work, but no.
Okay.
Only 100% win rate.
Let's see. 100% win rate play incoming.
It literally is, bro. You don't understand. I mean, actually, you do probably understand. Dude, I'm going to play tennis with my with a demo racket.
What's that? Oh, like one from the store?
No, they have these demo rackets where they're used, but you can't buy them. But like they're for you to test them out.
Okay.
So
Cool.
yeah. Dude, New York is so boring.
Yeah.
I don't know what the hell to do. Like I generally am so bored. I'm going to play tennis. I'm gonna try to ski as much as possible. Like other than that, dude, I just don't know what to do. I'm gonna hit the gym later.
Okay.
I'm just gonna have to like, dude. So I don't know if this is a good idea for anyone who does the gym stuff, but I'm at mom's house right now, and I don't have those like pre-made meals or whatever
Mm-hmm.
that have like 50 grams of protein. I don't have the protein shakes or whatever. So like, is it a good idea to just like nonstop just keep eating eggs, like
Mm,
5 eggs for lunch and then 5 eggs for dinner?
just get those Fairlife shakes from Costco or Sam's or whatever.
I could do that too. All right. So I'll just like keep eating eggs all day, pretty much.
You can get jerky too.
Yes.
Switch it up.
All right. I can try that. I mean, I'll just cook over easy eggs. You think that's fine? Just cooking some more easy eggs?
Yeah, sure.
Dude, I don't want to drink egg whites, bro. That's just disgusting.
It's like
Or
drinking
steak and
boogers.
scrambled. If I were to do steak and scrambled eggs, could I cook the steak in the pan?
Yeah.
Because I could probably get some steaks. Oh yeah, you're right. I could cook the egg whites. Yeah, but isn't the yolk good too?
Just more calories.
Yeah. All right. So you think I should get a thing of egg whites from the store? Okay. So I'm gonna go to the store after this. I'm gonna get a carton of egg whites. I need something to last me like how many days? I'm here till next Sunday, so I need something to last me like 10 days. Or probably 8 because Christmas. I'm not I'm trying to keep it under 2,000 calories a day. I weigh 200. Bro, I've been on the Reddit for like, and it's like slimming me down, but I'm not really losing that much weight. I don't know why. Oh yeah, we'll just Instacart it. Duh. Okay. So wait, what shake should I get from Costco?
Oh, Fairlife. Yeah, they're like 30 grams of
Fairlife.
protein for like 150 calories, I think. Or 42. You should get the
Okay.
42s, actually, right? If they have them. Mine only have the 30.
Fairlife protein. Nah, these are only 30. Mine only the 30.
Hmm.
All right, one count of these. And then there's how many in here?
18, I think.
Yeah, that's 18. That's perfect. Eat beef. Dude, I'm not gonna get them fast enough, Joey Burgess. There's just no way. All right, you think I should eat beef and eggs or just beef? Just I need something that's simple and not complicated that I can quickly put it together in a pan.
Chicken. Get a bunch of organic chicken breast, marinate it in a bag, throw it in the pan, sear it on both
Dude,
sides
that's too
for
complicated.
5 minutes.
See, when you say marinate, and put in a bag, you lose me.
Okay.
Okay, cage-free egg whites, 16 ounces, 6 count from Costco.
Yeah. 16 ounces, you probably need 2 of them.
Is that the one that people use? And then I cook that in a pan, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so I get 2 for like 8 days.
Guys, why are we reversing before hitting the high? What's going on?
This price action is garbage. All right, with these ones, 2 of them. You see these are liable?
Yeah. Yeah, those are good. Liquid egg whites.
Okay. And how much do I put in a pan of that?
Wait, that's 16 ounce. So you're good with
Where's
one of
that?
those, actually.
I bet.
Yeah. How much in a pan? Oh, I don't know. However much you want.
What the hell does 6 count? What the hell does 6 count mean?
Six of those boxes of 16-ounce egg whites.
Okay.
So
Chicken. So chicken breast. Frozen bag chicken breast.
Not frozen, just the organic one that's there. Usually in the, I don't know, meat section, kind of towards the back.
Organic chicken. Oh, I see. Joey Burgess, dude. I had those in my house. There's too many of those. I don't know.
We're about to run all this trend line before hitting the high. That's crazy. It's okay, though, because now we're getting our long setup, guys. We're going to pull back to this 15 and get a long. Hopefully.
EJ, EJ, do you mean 2 whole eggs with egg yolk? What does whole egg mean? Okay. And then how do I marinate? Like, what do I do to marinate these?
The chicken, just throw it in a bag, and then whatever seasonings you want. Normally, I do like a fajita marinade. And throw it in a pan and cook it till it's cooked through. It's usually
Dude, I don't need a meal
25
plan.
minutes.
8 days of chill and easy shit to make for dinner. Dude, I'm honestly just gonna get steak. I'm not gonna lie.
But
This is too complicated.
steak's easy. Steak's good. Damn, we really are going to run all this liquidity, guys. This is good. I'd actually prefer this. And then we get the long after. Hopefully.
Thanks, Metacog. Dude, steak or chicken breast? Which one?
I say both. A little bit of both.
No, I'm here for 8 days. I just need one. Okay, chicken. Wait, why is beef the easiest to cook?
Because you don't really have to do anything to it. Just throw it in a pan. Chicken, you kind of have to spice up, or else it's boring.
I mean, bro, I have a ton of seasoning, dude, in my pantry, in my mom's pantry. So
Yeah,
I'm probably just
that's good.
I just put it in a bag and marinate it with
Yeah.
like that's it.
Oil, lime juice, chili powder, garlic, onion, salt, pepper, cumin, oregano. That's usually what I do.
Dude, it says Kirkland signature fresh, boneless, skinless chicken breast, 6 pounds average weight, 8.4 pounds per package. So how many does that mean I have?
Usually you get like, I think it's like 10 maybe.
Okay, I'll just buy one
10
then.
breasts. Maybe a little more than that, but your parents can always just use it.
Yeah. And then I'll show you guys all the seasoning I have. I can just put this on the chicken, I'm assuming.
Here's the macro.
Sorry, that's my last thing. Then I'm gonna go and you can talk about trading.
Okay, Ben.
All right, can I use that?
Oh yeah, that's good.
That's good.
Yeah.
So I'll just have like chicken and eggs for dinner then, I guess.
Guess so.
So anything else? Probably no protein bars, right?
Maybe for a snack or something throughout the day on the scale or something.
Yeah. All right, I'll see you in 1 second.
Did this just dump already? Why are we stalling? Go down, NQ, so I can get the long, please. No bad price action here. Or maybe we do get bad price action. I don't know what we're stalling at, guys. There really isn't any roadblocks, then maybe we should just dump all the way through this.
Man, this is. All right, I'll see you guys later.
Catch you later, man.
When I dude, no, that's too complicated, Tommy. Yo, when I put the chicken in the pan, do I put the seasoning in the chicken in the bag first or on the pan?
Yeah. So what you do is you marinate it, meaning you put it in a few hours early. 3 whatever before you cook it, and you let it do its thing, and then you throw it in the pan for like, I don't know, 5 to 6 minutes each side. Flip it, and then I like to throw it in the oven at like 400 for like another 10 to 15 minutes to finish it off, depending on how thick the chicken is.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not too bad. We have a 30-second
All right.
inverse confirmation short here, guys, but we have the conflicting draw, so up to you if you'd like to take it. Looks like it's going to be invalid. Yeah, invalid. I think we run everything here. I think this is about to dump. Here we go. Here's the momentum. Dump it. Dump it. Bro, why do we keep stalling out, guys? We like want to dump and then we stop. And then we want to dump and then we stop. Dodgy not know anything? I mean, I don't know, he's younger. Not all of us were raised the same way. I kind of grew up on cooking shows, so I know a little bit. All right, we should create a prop lock here. We should. And then I really don't know what this is waiting on. It's just like bad delivery. We're just like coming back up and then going down. Coming back up, going down. More scalp conditions than like holding a position. Come on, macro. All right, we got 4 minutes till 2 o'clock here. Kind of running into that 1 hour for value gap that we've held all day. I feel like this 1 minute OB should be respected. We should reject from here and just go down. Maybe. Is there a 30-second? There's a tiny 30-second. Three more minutes till 2. Might get the prop luck. Maybe. Yeah, this is just trash, bro. This is not going anywhere. That's a pretty bad close to be bearish, so yeah, I don't know. I don't know what this wants to do. I'm going to just wait. We know our conditions. It's either the 15-minute below or if we take out the highs. We can't really trade anywhere in between here. We're just kind of stalling and chopping. This is bad price action. Two o'clock here in a minute 30. 25,303. Yeah, that would be like the 15. Yeah. Am I green today? Yeah, I'm green off the 1 minute short, and there hasn't really been any other opportunity for me to today to take anything. There was the 1 minute long. I tried that during lunch, but I got break even on it stupidly. I moved my stop to break even too early. All right, 1 more minute till 2. No SMTs, nothing really to worry about there. All right, here is 2 o'clock. Barely missed PM low again. There it is. All right, let's see if we can flush now down to the 15. Anything we have to pay attention to. No 4 hour, no 1 hour, no nothing. It shouldn't be a roadblock. We should just go. W macro. Am I in this trade? No, I'm not in the trade. I'm just tape reading. I want the long after we hit the 15. That's what I want. Yeah, exactly. No, you wouldn't short. You would wait for either the equal highs there to be swept or you long from the 15 to take us to the relative equal highs. Sorry, not equal. And then if we break through the 15, where will I think price is going to go then? Because the 15 is my condition right now. Yeah, probably lunch low, maybe run the LRLR there, go to AM low. There we go. There's the 15. Okay, so now we can get a long setup. Maybe. We'll see what kind of reaction we get here. If it's a soup, that's a good sign. If it's not a soup, then, well, I guess we'll just have to see. Are those LRs not significant on NQ? Oh, they absolutely are. Oh, yeah, big time. So if we inverse this 15, that's where we're going. Okay. I mean, even inversing this 3-minute here is somewhat significant because this is the gap that kind of sent price higher. And so this should hold. And so if this breaks, that's kind of already a sign that we're going to go for those lows. Now, what would this kind of look like as a trade, right? So entry there, stop loss above the inception, targeting the LRLR low. So it'd be about 2 to 1, but your risk on it would have to be pretty tight. Maybe 2 micros. I kind of want to chase. I think I'm gonna. Yeah. I found a smart chase, so I'm just running with it. Right now, in off this, and then obviously break even if we hit this low. keeping an eye on ES here. Oh, I'm unfunded. I don't have any evals left. Okay, I'm gonna go break even there and just hope. And just hope that we don't get pulled back on. And this just continues to accelerate. Come on. Please, NQ, please. Shorts, yeah, I'm in funded shorts right now. Yeah, I said I was thinking about taking this. I said I'm gonna take this, and then I said where I was going break even. The idea here being the inverse of these two gaps, giving us a good break even target here, and then obviously us just slicing through that 3 minute. And then, yeah, it's not the model. It's just, I think it's a smart chase. It gave us a good opportunity for a break even, and then this is good risk to reward to the low. I'm just going to hold for the whole thing and try and get 2R or get break even, which I just got break even. So there you go. So now we look for maybe a confirmation setup short if we inverse the 15 minute, right? If we do that, then we can look for a short. If we bounce from this last gap in the leg here and bounce from the 15 minute, then we can take this 3 minute long, and that would be A+. So all I'm doing is I'm just playing what price is giving me right now. And it was telling me that, okay, we're dumping. It's now found some support here in this gap. So if we get the structure to go back up, obviously we'll take a long. But right there, it was just very bearish. And this seemed like an obvious low to get hit. So just a little chase. I figured it was a smart chase. This would be a funded long, yeah. Yep. By the way, I know we got caught up in that talk about Dodgy's food situation, so I'd like to address any questions that I might have missed. I kind of talked about already the trades from this morning. The trade that I took was the 1 minute short. I took this 1 minute during lunch. And I guess there wasn't really a good short there. I thought this 3 minute long was all right if you just took it based off momentum. Yeah, I took it short with 2 micros, and the risk on each of those is going to be about $125. So it's $250, which is within my allotted risk. And then if it goes all the way to the final TP, which I'd probably just TP at AM low, that would have been about 120 points. So just under 2R. I mean, I would have made like almost $400 on it. So I think that's worth it. Maybe a little more than 400. But yeah, wow, this V shape is very nice. This is good. Unfortunately, there really isn't a setup for us until we inverse this 3 minutes. So this will be the trade, and we go break even at this high here. This is A+. But yeah, we got 1 more minute till this 3 minute closes, and then we'll probably have to wait for the next one if this is going to continue to V-shape. Did I take the first short off of momentum and inefficiencies needing to be rebalanced? Yes, I did. That was the 1 minute short. I was in a one-on-one with Apoff this morning. If you guys don't know Apoff, he's the guy that, you know, has filled out every single rules calendar challenge since like November. He's a great trader, really great guy. He's made some cool tools. And yeah, we took that trade together. And that was about it, yeah. Any concerns about the 5? Well, if we have a 5 here, we'll take that, but it hasn't closed yet. So right now I'm focused on the 3. If we get the 3 with this much momentum, I'll just take that. If we slow down, I'll take the 5 and the 3. Okay. You know what? I'm sick of this. Oh, the glazing is crazy stuff. You know, in 2025, can we not support our fellow man? Can we not pay a compliment every once in a while? Are we that too egotistical? All right. You guys are good. Okay. I give up, man. Just don't glaze. All right. Well, how about this? Since apparently all I do is glaze, I guess I'm just gonna, not say if I'm in this trade. I'll just continue glazing. Wait, why is this actually just already all the way back? What is this, like another? Okay, so 35-point stop. Guys, I'm considering full porting this one on my Lucids. Can you explain why we don't take the 1 minute here? Yeah, because the 1 minute's running into other bearish for value gaps. So, like, you're just longing, assuming that these break. When, until we inverse the 3, we don't really know for certain that they're going to break. The second 1 minute is okay, but she would have had to move break even basically instantly, and I don't even know if it closed above. It did. It closed above by a tick. So yeah, you could have taken the 1 minute close there, but the 3 minute is the A+ setup because this is like a 1 minute. Like, see, look. So you take this 1 minute here, you're longing into a 2 minute bearish gap. Okay, so all of those longs here so far have not been good. This 3 minute is the play. Trust me, we did not miss anything. The 15-second, yeah, I mean, was there a 15 there? Not really. Not really a valid one. So see, we're starting to reject these bearish gaps because we haven't really confirmed yet that we are full on bullish until we've inversed that last bearish gap here. So if we reject and we get this 1 minute inverse to the downside, now what? What do we do? Can somebody tell me? Do we take this short? Maybe no. So at this point, we're in no man's land. We're between a 5 minute gap and a 15 minute. Now, we did get a very strong bearish IO-Fed reaction to the 5 minutes. So if you're very convinced we're about to go down and run this LRLR, this is the confirmation setup. The problem is because we held the 15, I can't be fully confident we're going to run these lows yet. So this would be kind of like a good eval trade, a good pattern trade, a good singular funded, a good gamble trade on fundeds, something like that. Now let's think about the win rate here. What win rate do you guys think this setup has? What is our order flow right now? Actually, let's talk about that too. So weak order flow, strong draw. This would be like, I guess, a normal funded play maybe, but we don't know what the order flow is. So it's not even weak order flow, it's just undefined order flow. That's the problem. Because it's undefined, we can't form a bias. And when we can't form a bias, we can't take a trade. We can have a hunch, which is why you would take this on like an eval. Dude, I'm kind of tempted though. I'm not gonna lie. It looks fucking textbook. This is pretty perfect. You take the 1 minute or the 2 minute here, you go break even at the next gap. You can make the argument that we're bearish, but at the same time, it's weird that we would be bearish. Like, why though? I mean, obviously the LRLR below, but we left all that liquidity above too. So it's kind of like we're trading with conflicting draws. There's the entry, by the way, on the 1 and 2. I'll try this for fun. How many points risk is this? 13. Yeah, why not? I'm green on the day. I can take it with light size. I took it. I'm going to go break even when we tap that lower gap there. If we tap it. I just would hate for this to be the confirmation setup and for me to miss it, and we run all the LRLR off this, because this would be a big move, and it's worth the risk reward. Even if the win rate isn't that good, it's like 13 points of risk to make like 500. So I don't know. To me, that's worth it. Yeah, it would be like 150. So it's almost 10R if we sweep every LRLR low there. Okay, so I guess the break even just got hit there. So I'm going to go stop to break even. And this just has to dump hard, okay? I'm not going to scale any contracts except for maybe one at this low. I will take off one at this low here. The immediate low. And then
Dude,
after that, I'm going to leave a runner, and I'm going to try and go for 150 points on the runner. And that will just be my trade. I'll just go for AM low.
Dude, look at this.
I'm probably being too ambitious. It's just going to get break even, but we'll see. Maybe I get lucky.
Look at that.
Oh, yeah, we already got the call. NQ gave it to us.
Dude, isn't that insane?
Yeah. We actually just got in a short. That's so funny.
No, that's 11 a.m. Look at 11 a.m. It was a high day.
Oh, okay, true. Wow, that is insane. Dude, why are you getting signals from Peter Tuchman, man?
I don't know, dude.
Has one lost yet?
Not that I've seen.
Damn. Well, this isn't about to lose either, because we don't take losing plays in Dodgers Dungeon, right, guys? We don't do that losing stuff. What do you think about the short I took? I took it light. Well, let me just get out my most used gift again.
Yo, you guys think I can make it 20 minutes with 22 PSI in my tire?
Oh my god, no. No, no, no.
Actually?
No. Don't do that.
Okay. I'll stop at a gas station then real quick.
Okay.
I've done it before.
I don't know. I like to be safe than sorry, and if you accidentally blow a tire, you know, it's like get into an accident or something.
Dude,
Who's ready for the top tick break even? Dude, I have a good fill here. I should be good. I'm filled from 295. Damn. I don't know. It's not really dumping as hard as I'd want it to. I feel like we should have already hit the low. Maybe if we turn this into an OB, we'll be good. Just got to give it time. Be patient. Caveman it out. Come on. I don't like this target either because technically, isn't it protected? It's still protected 1 minute low. So if you wanted, you could sell at 1R, I guess. This is up like 25 points right now, but It really shouldn't matter too much the protected low here. It should just break. Especially if we get the OB now. We failed to make it, and we kind of got a liquidity sweep at that low. Come on, NQ. Yeah, I don't know if we take this low, guys. I don't know why we wouldn't, but we are sitting inside of a 15, and we're trying to target a high resistant low. We're still stuck in this like last 1 minute for value gap too. Yeah, this might be cooked. We needed to break that. I forgot about that. We failed to put in the OB. We're kind of in discount of the dealing range too. I mean, let's see. Yeah, discount a little bit. Maybe it was like right at 50 when we entered. Oh, I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna add to my position if we break this 1 minute. That is what I'll do. Because if the 1 minute fails and we come back up, I'm probably gonna get break evened anyway. So it's kind of like a risk-free addition, a risk-free pyramid. I'll add like 1 micro. But it doesn't look like I'm even gonna get the chance to do that. What are we pulling back for? Is it like a 5? No. 3? No. 2? Kinda. Yeah, it's not happening, guys. We're gonna be break even. That's okay. Unless we like Death Candle right now. So we get the OB, we get the inverse. I added, yeah. No SMTs. We left equal lows. Well, this is the worst trade ever, man. What the hell is this doing? Hmm. Come on, man. Oh, come on, man. Don't do it. Don't do it. I should have TP'd. I thought about it. I was sitting there like, let me secure at least a contract or something, but I waited. I already had my TP set 1 point above the low. But we'll see. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. I mean, I hate targeting high resistance lows because this is what it's like. I should have actually TP'd because there's no guarantee that this low gets hit. Hmm. Yeah, I should have TP'd there. In hindsight. Oh well, I guess we'll see. Whatever happens, happens. What's my average? 86.50. I just don't know how we can have so much volume, so much volume, so much volume, and then just nothing. And then barely miss liquidity. It's just unfortunate. It's because it's high resistant. I'm probably about to get break even now. My greed consumed me? No, it has not. My greed is perfectly normal. I don't like this. I'm about to get knocked out. I think I'm of the mindset here that if I get knocked out at 86.50, I'll probably get knocked out at 95, which was my original entry anyway. So it is what it is. I still think the ad there is fine. Rip. This is terrible. Yeah, that's horrible. It's cooked, guys. It's cooked. There's no way off that candle I don't get cooked here. Oh my goodness. The 15-minute candle open, bro. We've been sitting in this trade for how long? 20 or 15 minutes only? That's not too bad. I just want like a good candle close to be bearish. Like a close through this low would be generational because then I know we're gonna run the LRLR. That's a good candle close. Come on, guys. That I might be the luckiest trader ever. I'm out 2 contracts there. Wow. And I'm holding. That came within like 1 point of my stop. You guys heard me. I said 86. We came up to 84.50 or something. I had my stop in profit at 85. Something like that. What is the final TP for the runner? I'm targeting AM low, so 162. About 100 points away. It's probably unrealistic. That's why I scaled majority there. Because we're trapped inside this 15 and we don't know that we're going to go there until this breaks. What up, Samook? You're missing the play we're in, bro. Yeah, we're in a short right now. Bro buys PM just to miss every trade, by the way. It's actually funny. This is about to be a banger, too. It's about to be 10R. Dude, how many 10R plays have I called out this month? How many? I mean, it hasn't hit yet. I'm actually just jinxing the fuck out of this trade, but it feels like I've called out so many. Um, I'm gonna be honest. I'm probably just gonna scale one at 50 points just to secure the profit, and then just let it do its thing. We just filled in the 15-minute gap completely. New 5-minute here. We're in the last gap in the leg. If this can get down to, well, actually, it kind of depends on displacement. If we kind of grind down here, then I'll probably scale. If we just get a lot of momentum, I probably won't. Ooh, this 1 minute long, if you're bullish, looks really good. Ooh, do I cut this here? That's a really bullish reaction from the last gap, and we're holding the 15. I really hope this holds for the short. Please hold. Don't break. Is there a 2-minute there? Okay, we're good. It held. Bet. Please create an OB off this. If we create an OB, I might trail. Yes, dude. Please make an OB off the short so I can trail. And we close through this 1 minute here, so I'd like to see a 5-minute close through this if we could. That'd be good. Oh no, don't do it. That's an SMT at the low. Huh. I hope that breaks. This is kind of a bullish reaction, guys. I might cover. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for the 1 minute close. If we close above on the 1 minute, I'm covering. That's my final answer. If we close above the 1 minute, I'm covering. Honestly, though, this close isn't even that good. Look at this momentum back up. Like, if we were really bullish here, would we be getting this momentum, or would we have just 3 candle inverse this? Still feels bearish. Just like a retracement. Just a retracement to balance the inefficiencies we left behind and head lower. Hopefully. Perfect. Not trailing my stop yet, just waiting. We get another good bearish candle close through the low like that, I'll trail. Mm. I'd like to see the 5 minute close here below the 5 minute gap in 50 seconds. Not really bearish, man. Hmm. Yeah, I'm probably gonna end up covering here. Not gonna lie, unless I miss something. Oh, we're running into a 2 minute. Whatever. I'll just leave it. It doesn't matter. Either it goes all the way or what? I come back break even on 2 micros. Who cares? Do 5-minute candle open. Yeah, we are holding that last gap in the leg. This is what I'm concerned about. Yeah, if you want to cut here, you can. I don't care. I think the draw on liquidity is good enough lower. I'm just gonna let the trade play out. Whatever happens, happens. Yeah, let your runners run, exactly. See, because if you cut early, then you miss this. It's like, I don't care. I don't have any emotion behind it. Whatever happens, happens. I'm not married to the profit here. This is just such bad delivery. We're just slowly grinding down. Okay, coming down to make a lower low here and then coming back up is kind of diabolical. Why the hell would this happen? This is weird. What is even that? That's insane. Oh, well, I don't know. Yeah, you can close, I guess. That's a good place to trim. It's whatever. 25.1-minute candle to the upside. What the hell? Sorry, 30.1-minute candle to the upside. Was that play the 1 minute at 39? No, the 1 minute at 212. 212 after the dump. We caught the remaining portion of it. We're trying to target the LRLR, the session liquidity, but it's just being difficult right now. We have a 30-second inverse here, maybe. Coming off this last 30-second gap in the leg here. First time it's been tapped. Wow, wait, why does that look so good? Did that inverse too? I think that inversed. Wow, okay, so 30-second V-shape inverse there. I guess an opportunity to jump back in if you got out. It's about as good of a re-entry as you can ask for. I have no idea what price is doing right now. This is horrible. I think it's really just going to come down to whenever we break this 15-minute, that's when we're going to dump. So I guess we have 2 minutes. If we break this 15 in 2 minutes, we're golden. See, but the thing is, Sabuk, it's a day plus draw, so like you theoretically could hop in and that'd be a valid setup. What accounts did I take the play on? I took it on my 5 Lucids. Heavy risk? No, 2 micros. 2 micros and then I added. So now I'm down to 2 left. So there's the low. That's where you go break even. Let's see this 15-minute close. We got 50 seconds. I hope it doesn't pop back up like it did the last 2 times. Guys, well, never mind. I'll just watch.
Yo, short.
We get the 15-minute close below there.
Short it all. Short this shit.
What up?
Short this shit, bro.
We're already in.
Dude, 15-minute just closed below.
Yeah, I don't know if the 5 did. Yeah, the 5
Dude,
did.
ain't no way this doesn't dump, right?
That's what I'm saying. I'm still holding like the majority of my position here. I jumped in and then I pyramided.
Really?
Yep.
You pyramided? If you're gay like that? What's up, bro? How's it going? What's up?
What's wrong with that, man?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Who's ready to get wrecked? Yeah. You got a racket for me? Alright. Yeah. Is this the radical? I think so. Bet. Oh, good. Wait, yo, where'd you pyramid in?
Okay, so we got in on this 1 minute short here.
Bro, you came here, bro.
Okay. And then we started to dump and we started to respect this 1 minute BPR here. So I added one contract when we closed through this.
Nice.
And then there was another opportunity to pyramid actually here.
Yeah, we could low key play outside.
I mean, if there's not.
It's low key nice. All right, well, good luck.
Thanks, man.
I'm gonna set an alert. I'm playing tennis.
Okay. By the way, guys, I did cover one there. I'm sorry I got distracted, but
Yo, can you text me if the 5 minute gets closed below?
Yeah, I did cover one there at the 50 points, like I said I was going to. I just want to secure some profit. So now I'm really just down to a runner. We got the macro here in 2 minutes. Damn, what is this doing, dude? Maybe balance the inefficiencies, I guess. 30-second got break even, unfortunately. Dude, why does every single low have to be a liquidity sweep? Why can't we just get like consistent bearish candles? Oh, well, I guess my TP was the low. What the hell? I guess that was a good scale. On the bright side. These bearish gaps should hold here. We should hold the BPR. We're just rebalancing every single move. The 5 minutes not even gonna close below now though. This is so annoying. Bro, what the hell? What is this doing? Yeah, this might be cooked now, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I have no idea why this came all the way back up like that again. This looks like the real move up, but I don't know. I could be wrong. I'm hoping I'm wrong. We do have an S&T at this high. Wow, I guess I got really lucky with my scale. This is just going to go all the way back now. Wow, this is actually like one of my luckiest trades ever. Okay, 1 minute or 30-second gap still holding. Wow. Dude, wow. Dude, this is horrible. Alright, I guess death candle short here. I don't know. This is so bad. I don't even know what to say at this point. I guess maybe this is where momentum picks up. Macro. Yeah, I guess macro. Come on, macro. Take us down. Are we like running into the trend line now? Is that the problem? Kinda. Not really. Almost. Need to rebalance this 1 minute. I have my stop trailed in profit. I mean, at this point, I've already made, I don't even know how much on this trade. I think 200? In from 95, scaled at 54, that's 80 plus 60 point scale, so 120. So yeah, 200. So yeah, whatever happens now, that I don't really care. I mean, I'm already up an insane amount of RR in this trade. So this was an $1,000 trade for me over 5 lucids. That's good. Any questions? Did I miss anything? Like, I've been kind of locked in on this trade for a while now. It's been, what, 45 minutes almost? Do I execute on TradeEvade or through TradingView? Through TradeEvade. Yeah, through TradeEvade. Nice, good candle there. Oh shit, I forgot to text Dodgy. Well, his fault. He should be on the charts. So yeah, 5 minute finally broke. I don't know what is gonna stop us at this point. We definitely that felt like a trend line tap. So hopefully we get momentum now down. We break structure through this low and we just keep going. I'm gonna sell everything at this low here at AM low. If we get a bullish reaction at lunch, I might just cover there too. But we'll see. I mean, it's how many points difference? 25. It's kind of worth it. It's 50 points extra. Or $50 extra. Sorry, not 50 points. Guys, guess what? I am officially out of the drawdown phase on my Lucids. Hooray, hooray, hooray. 2 days in. I said something at the beginning of the month. I said I'd like to get these 5 Lucids to a payout by the end of the year, and I'd like to take a 10K payout. And then I clarified and I said that's probably unrealistic. It's probably not going to happen. Now, if it happens, it's a Christmas miracle. I need 3 days of $150 profit in order to request a payout. I can request half. Right now, I have 2.1K in here across all 5. So I could request like 5 grand right now, not 10, but in 3 days when I make $150 over each day, I should be able to request like 12.5 or 1.25 for each. So that's like a 6.5K payout in 5 days. And this trade still isn't done. I mean, if it hits final TP here in about 40 points-ish, I will be at like 21.5 on these accounts, 22 almost. Yeah, for sure, Elias. What should you risk for a trade? It depends on the size of the account, Mark. What account size do you have? 50K? Normally 200 to 250 is what I risk. On this trade, I risked like 200. Oh, actually, no, that's a lie. I actually risked way less than that, but yeah. Yeah, you can trail. That's fine. We've just been getting too many of these like really bullish stop runs, so I'm just letting it do its thing. We have 3 o'clock coming up here as well. Lunch lows incoming. This could be a place where you scale if you don't want to hold for the extra 25 points. This is already gone for 110. So what are the chances that we enter slow in reverse? I feel like in these price conditions, high. Kind of high. I mean, I don't know. We keep doing that, and I mean, this is a lot of momentum. We have the macro, so that shouldn't happen. But I don't know. Anything's possible. All right, we got 30 seconds till 3. Guys, I'm of the opinion that December might be the best month of the whole year. Can you imagine if you were like, I don't want to trade December. It's been bad in the past. And you didn't catch any of these moves? Here's 3, by the way. Dude, we've had like 10 good days this December so far. Ten out of 20. It's 10 out of 20. There's 20 trading days a month. It's been a great month. I don't even. It's probably been more than that. It's probably been like 15. There's been like a banger setup every single day. I feel like. Today it was the 1 minute. 1 minute short off open. This is good too. PM's had a lot of opportunity as well. I don't like that soup reaction at the low there. I'm not gonna lie. That's not great. We'll see. Maybe we just come back up to balance a 5 or 3 or something. Yeah, 3-minute gap. Because we have to balance every inefficiency on the way down here. When did you go break even on the 1 minute on open? I went break even when we hit the low. I just had a better fill than all of you. I'll show you guys my executions. I didn't get break even on it. I thought I already posted them, but I'll post them again. Would I long here before sell side? No, I wouldn't. We don't have an SMT. There's no reason to long yet. So what, you got the retrace? I just got like I got lucky today twice, but with my my break evens. The first one this morning, I think I was within 1 point of getting break even, and it missed me, and then I got lucky with this one too. Dude, we have to go all the way back for the last gap. Again. We've been coming back for every last gap. Look, this 1 minute short probably works. From the last gap here. Dude, what the hell? Everyone that was in the 5 minute just got break even. Well, actually, you probably didn't go break even yet. What is there, like a last 2 minute? Yeah, 2 minute. Yeah, I don't know what to do, guys. This is annoying. I was hoping for a nice, easy trade. This took a lot of mental. Oh my goodness. No way it comes all the way back. Yeah, I mean, we called it. What are the odds we come all the way back before missing the low? Well, here you go. Here's that playing out. I guess I should have scaled. I have to wait for liquidity. It's like it's just I've been trained that way. I can't break that habit. I can't scale there. I have to wait. Would you look to enter back in a 1 minute confirmation? Not at this point, no. I've secured my profit. I'm good. I was out of the drawdown threshold. Now I'm back in it. I thought I was going to be good. I guess that's what I get for jinxing it. So it's the first 2K, right? Once you've surpassed that first 2K, yeah, you're good, right? So I was up 2080 or something like that right then, and now I'm up 1970. Wow, I'm gonna get break even. Just came within 1 tick of my break even. All right, if we hold this 1 minute again, maybe we're still good. If we inverse it, we might be cooked. We might be leaving those lows behind. Oof. Yeah, 1 minute inverse. I think we're leaving the lows, guys. That's a lot of momentum. There's my break even finally, dude. What the hell, man? This was the worst fucking trade ever, bro. All right. Let's see. I was only up about 140 on a micro there. I guess I probably should have scaled, but whatever. I don't care. Anytime you see a candle like this, guys, be nervous. This candle is genuinely terrifying, whether it's bullish or bearish. When we get a liquidity sweep like this and an instant pump candle that leaves no wick at the high, that is horrible. Also, I don't think I'm too greedy. I'm just following my rules. Like, this is the liquidity down here. If we're going to leave it behind and pump back 100 points, there's nothing I can do. That's just the market being shit. We should have at least respected one of these bearish gaps here. It was the best month ever. Now it's definitely second to May. It's still a good month. There was still so much opportunity. The volatility's been great. So I'm gonna end the day up. It looks like 480. That's fine. Yeah, exactly so. No, I'm staying steadfast with my opinion of December up until this point that this has been a good month. Way better. Do you guys remember the price action that we had when the government was shut down? Oh, I just realized the 30-second never closed above. What if we hold the 30-second and we're putting in the structure right now to come back down? Yeah, I've loved December too. I mean, of course, Austin loved December. Austin, can I share? Oh wait, yeah, you posted in testimonials. Austin got an $18,000 payout. I mean, he's a cool guy. He's all right. Yeah, okay. Guys, would it be crazy for me to hop back in the micro and leave my stop at the high and just see what happens? We didn't inverse this 30-second, and it kind of looks like we're ready to come back down now. I don't know. I've got a feeling. And I hate getting top ticked. That's basically what just happened. That top ticked me by, well, maybe not top ticked. I don't know. It's a little bit less than a top tick. What did we talk about yesterday regarding DJ behavior? Keep it to myself. Okay, I'll keep it to myself. IO fed 15-minute, then short. Oh, there's an idea. There we go. Wait, somebody's using their brain. Yeah, what if this is just one big pullback to 50%? And look at where 50 lines up. No, that was not backhanded. That was an insult to myself because I'm talking about shorting while we're inside this 30-second gap, and you're actually using your brain and using, you know, the 15-minute here and other confluences to take a short versus just shorting off vibes. Yeah. Yeah, this could just be one big 50% retracement to PM or of the PM session. Yo, wait, what about options here? I wonder how expensive they are. An options play in the last hour of the day? That could print. Damn, they're kind of expensive. Yeah, they're too expensive for me, unfortunately. I'll keep an eye on the 610s. 610 QQQ. I like this idea though of us running all this liquidity, this buy side we left here, because then the short should just be like easy. And also if we look at the lower time frame, there's a 2-minute BPR. So we should just like IO fed the 15, tap in the 2-minute BPR and reject, and then get like a nice short setup back down again. It's basically right where we initially entered. We initially entered here at 295. But yeah, let me share those executions with you guys. Since you guys were asking for a couple of them. So, oh wow, we're actually about to hit the 15 right now. Dude, why did I not cover at 240, by the way? That was still, it's not really worth it, actually. In a 30? Okay, yeah. I don't know if I should be married to 50% here, but it just seems like the best place for us to reject from. So that's why I'm going to kind of focus on that. There's still liquidity that we could run here, buy side liquidity. I do like the SMT, though. SMT is nice if we hold that. We would get a 30-second or maybe 15, I guess. Never mind. 2-minute. 2-minute now. But yeah, here was the initial short. Entered. Added. Sold. Sold. Break even. And then this was the short from this morning. Entered here a little early. Next candle. Break even here. Okay. I think when we break even, price pulled back and then dumped. And if you look at my entry, it's about a point or maybe 2 points above where the candle pulled back. So I don't get break even. Sold at this low inside the gap, sold at this low. Okay. There's 50 and the 15. Do I soup this with a stop above the 2-minute BPR? How many points is that? 17? Dude, this might be too bullish. Where's 50? How did I find it? I marked out PM low, marked out PM high, and drew it from there. I actually... Never mind. I'll just keep it to myself. Is there a good short here? 3-minute short looks good if we get it. 5-minute short looks good if we get it. All of these, the 3 is the best, I think. Dude, I'm going to print on this. I really hope it works. Would I stay out of OPEX tomorrow? Just go low risk? Yeah, honestly, after the week I had, I'm probably not going to trade tomorrow. Guys, this is about to print. Please tell me one of you at least followed my stupidity. I'm about to catch the high. I am the top ticker. You in anything? Yeah, we're about to be in a short. Maybe. This 2-minute looks good. Yeah, I guess the 2-minute's the only valid entry. There was the 1-minute there that just triggered. Wait, no, we might have... Yeah, it triggered. Okay. So yeah, 2-minute short here is the play. If you'd like to take it, this would be A+. You would go break even at this low here. No entry yet. Still holding the 2-minute gap. Yeah, so no entry. Still got to wait. Balancing the 1-minute and 30-second now. Remember, every single gap has to be balanced today for some reason. There's no inefficiency that can be left behind. Not even a 15-minute one before we hit the lows. We have to come back for that one too. Where's my break even? For the 2-minute short, it would be this low here at 249. For the soup, I'm already break even. Because if this comes back now, that's a horrible sign, right? Like, we would not want to see that happen. 1-minute inverse, 30-second looks like it's gonna. So, yeah, it looks like we're just really bullish all of a sudden. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, looking at the 4-hour looks really bullish. Yeah, I know. But right now, we've continued to respect bearish PD arrays for the most part this session, so order flow has been bearish. That's why I've been focused on looking short. Right now, obviously, I mean, if we inverse this, or if we basically take the 2-minute BPR here, we're probably just going to be bullish for the rest of the session. Because we'll go to this high next, and then from there, it's just off to the races. We'll probably go back to the relative equal highs. So here is 320. Yeah, I just got break even at my soup, so whatever. I give up. Oh, we formed an SMT at the high now. It's high. This 1 minute here doesn't look bad. It's just, I don't know. I don't know what to think now. I don't know why this would have pulled all the way back to retake the high. Maybe we're just putting in the structure reverse, and now this is it. This is the real reversal, this 1 minute. And then you go break even at the low. Yeah, this 1 minute doesn't look too bad. I got top tick break even, by the way. That's unfortunate. 2 the tick. My luck has ran out. The 2 would be the external, right? Yeah, the 2 would be the external, but because we have the SMT, it's not a case of internal versus external. You could take the 1 minute here. I don't know if I would because of how bullish this move up was. I kind of want the extra confirmation, but the SMT also kind of acts as an extra confirmation. So hopefully this just doesn't trigger and we get a nice 2 minute instead. So yeah, check this out. So this was the trade. Okay. Short here with a stop at about there. Okay, so 23-point stop. I scaled at this low and I scaled here. So it wasn't even 3R. It would have been 3R if this would have hit. But we missed it. And I should have just covered on that candle. I think in total my risk on the trade was $100 and I made 200, so I got 2R. 2R. After all that. All right, I'm going to I guess trade recap this. Okay, any questions today? Any questions about anything? Why I took the short? Why I became bearish here when we were inside of a bullish gap? Remember, there's still a good buy side draw here as well. So theoretically, if we get a good long setup, you know, this could be the target. I'm good. I'm done for the day. You think Asia could be good to run them lows? Maybe. I think now we probably need to try and run the highs. I mean, I don't even know. I wonder what Dodge is going to say about the 5-minute closing blow and then not running the lows. We have this high inside the gap here, potentially a place to reject from as well. This would be not PMI. PMI is up there. What do you think of the chances of the price to reach the top equal highs? If we continue to get this bullish momentum, I wouldn't say that the highs would be out of the question today. If we can close through the 15-minute in 4 minutes, and or not the 15, I guess maybe the 30-minute in 4 minutes. If we can do that, the equal highs are 100% a possibility. Did I do Bandle? I am recording. I have not done the Wordle. I haven't done anything yet. We've been stuck in a trade for, or we were stuck in a trade for an hour, so I was just focused on that. Would you say we had conflicting draws all session with those relative equal highs? Yes. But yes, but the latter part is good too. Targeting the draw that's in line with order flow is fine. That's why we took it light. Because of the conflicting draw above, this draw becomes kind of mid. And the order flow wasn't certain. So like that's why we said singular funded, light, whatever. And then obviously, we get this price action as a result. So I think that was the right call. I just got lucky several times. I know some of you guys got break even. But yeah, this wasn't like the perfect trade at all. This was probably on the threshold of an A setup. I just would have regretted seeing price come all the way down to run the LRLR and only have like 16 points of risk on the table to potentially make 133, right? Even if with a reasonable stop here, 25 points, right? I would have regretted that, knowing what was possible, and then we just barely miss it. So once again, right, our goal with traders isn't to find the most perfect setup and take that. It's to balance risk with reward. We established that this trade probably didn't have a great win rate, like 70%, but it had a good enough win rate to match the risk reward. That's also why I tried this soup setup here, right? Because my risk was capped to the high here. Okay, so I had 30 points of risk on a micro, so $60. If we closed above the 2-minute, that would have been the hard close, or the manual close. That would have been 10 points of risk to potentially make 175 points, whatever it would have been if we started dumping crazy, right? So that was like why I tried that short. Do I think that it's a profitable short? Probably not. It probably has a less than 50% win rate. But if it does win, then I'm in the clear. And if I get the break even, well, then I'm fine. Suit 332 again. At this point, no, because this was where we should have rejected. Now that we're blasting past 50%, I'm not as confident in shorts anymore. Just has to be good enough. Yeah, it doesn't have to be perfect, just good enough. Now, if you're somebody that's struggling with trades and you're losing and you're in a funk or whatever it is, I say take the A+ setup, only take trades at the extremities, whatever, don't take trades like this. But when you get to a point as a trader that you're able to take trades that are good enough and be okay with losses, you know, you take these setups too. How much did I risk there? I risked $100 on the short. On the soup, I risked 60 with the intention to make. What was this at? I would have made like 250, something like that, so 4R. We're kind of stalling out now. We might be done for the day. By the way, the reason why we're pumping so hard today, guys, is I don't know if you read or if you saw the CPI data, but we had the lowest or one of the biggest decreases in month-over-month inflation since like March or something of 2021, something like that. It was insane. We're now at 2.6% for CPI, which like I don't know how, but I think it's also crazy that nobody was right about the tariffs. Everyone was concerned that the tariffs were going to cause like massive supply shocks and big and massive inflation. Inflation's fine, and the only thing that's really rising in costs, like that I know of, that's like been going parabolic is computer parts. Like computer parts are just insane because of AI. And then what else? The one thing that I am concerned about is the fact that inflation is this low, partially because of whatever macroeconomic things are happening around the world. But I also think it's because we have had Jerome Powell as our Federal Reserve Chair, and he seems to know what he's doing. And he's prevented the money printer from being turned on too early. Now that we're at 2.6, I don't see why they wouldn't like drop rates. I mean, it makes sense too at this point. And here's the one thing that I am concerned about. I don't know if you guys maybe I need to do more research on this, but I'll spread the misinformation anyway if it's wrong. Apparently banks are struggling with like liquidity right now. And so they've been like basically asking for the Fed to start printing money, which that could cause inflation, but I don't think it's a big concern because inflation's already pretty low. So, yeah, like look at this, 2.6, 2.7. That's crazy. That's really good. That's the lowest inflation we've had since before COVID, I think, right? What caused a massive spike in inflation over these short years? Money printing. If we hit lunch low, would I have longed? Maybe. Actually, yeah, that's a good question. I probably would have if I saw this V shape, but unfortunately we didn't hit it, and we didn't hit it on ES either, so there wasn't even a SMT there. But yeah, if we would have hit lunch lows and gotten like this 4-minute inverse or 2-minute or 3-minute, whatever it was, I would have longed that. Lucid is actually pretty fire. Yeah, it is. It's been nice not having to deal with any consistency unfunded. I've just been kind of sending these. Anybody watch football in here? For those of you that do, that Rams Seahawks game seems to be like the most important game for deciding the playoffs, right? Decides the 1 seed at the NFC. So we do have an SMT at this high, so I guess we don't really have to hit it. We got a death candle there, creating a 1-minute OB plus kind of a breaker. If we start to dump now, I guess that could make sense because we did sweep this high. Maybe wait for confirmation first. Is there any? Not really anything. Yeah, this 1 minute might dump us, guys. This is a lot of momentum to the downside. We shall see. We didn't really get a good close there anyway, so maybe not. You do know you could get stop steps accounts with essentially the same rules as Lucid Flexor, but the same price, and then use Trade Singer. Yeah, I just don't want to support Michael Michael Paddock ever. I'll stay on Lucid. We hate that Michael guy. Yeah, I could. But I mean, I have 25 right now. I'm pretty comfortable with that. If I want to scale more, I'll do that. Fahrenheit. That's interesting. So it looks like, obviously, I guess we're bullish still. Yeah, basically. Fahrenheit. I have no idea where this is going to go, but I feel like I'd rather be short here. That's just the vibe I'm kind of getting. I feel like we're slowing down. We're not really seeing too much expansion to the upside. I don't know. I don't remember. Was it one of their new accounts they just came out with? We have a 5-minute gap here that could break. And then I think that's the last thing we would need in order to see the highs. ICT said that? What, on Twitter? His Telegram? I'll bet. Good for him.
Yo, take a long here.
What up?
Yo, take a long here. Trust me.
Oh, you saw ICT's Telegram? Or the
Dude,
Twitter?
dude, yes.
Okay. Alright, I'm taking you along here. I'm trusting you.
All right. I mean, he just said to.
Where am I selling? Where do I go break even? Do I even do any of that? Oh, okay. Well, he's gone. All right. Well, hey, shit printed. W dodgy. Hey guys, I have terrible news. So I tried to long as soon as he said that, and I moved my stop to break even, and you're not gonna believe what happened on that wick down. You're just not gonna believe it. Oh my goodness. Well, oh well. Hopefully this just doesn't pump here, and you know, I guess we'll see. A good 1 minute close over this high would be good. I didn't know where to go break even. I didn't have any information. I just did what I thought I was supposed to do, and I guess that wasn't what I was supposed to do. So I guess the target is 410 here, ladies and gentlemen. Does 410 sound about right? There really shouldn't be any roadblocks. I do think the long works here. We're kind of blasting past that previous high and through the gap here. We just tapped into what, that last 15 minute there? Yeah, so maybe we reject short term here and then come back. Wow, that's a really good reaction. All right, gotta break the last 15. Come on. Go for the highs, NQ. Dodgy said so. I would be break even no matter what before 350. If you're in a long for some reason, I don't know why you would be. Yeah, like I'd get break even there. That's fine. Yep, MOC in 2 minutes.
Peter is texting me saying he just made 2 million off that move, bro.
What?
Isn't that insane, bro? I've never seen him lose.
20 points?
Yeah, he just like takes 10 and 20 points. He never loses ever, bro.
Interesting.
It's so weird. Yo, Dad Master, I'm with the Thyrops right now playing tennis.
What do we think about this 1 minute short, guys? It's kind of something, right? The V shape. I don't know. It's 350. I mean, I guess if you want to gamble, 350. I really have no idea where price wants to go. I mean, it makes sense for us to dump. It does. We swept out the high. We tapped in the last gap. Engineered a lot of liquidity below. But then again, you know, we still have the highs above. We're kind of in proximity to them, and it's a conflicting draw, so 30-second back up here. Well, it's invalid, I guess. Or it was instant break even. Ooh. Kind of a dump. Wait, we didn't create the OB. Never mind. If we create the 1 minute OB, this is probably going to go down. If we don't, then I guess we'll see. Basically created it. Let's see. MOC is dumping. Kind of. We've got about 2 minutes before this whipsaw's back, I bet. 2 more minutes to dump. Maybe not even that. Decent close. What are we pulling back for? Is there a 15? There is a 15 we're about to grab. Oh, we made an SMT edit. Yeah, it's coming back. Wait, maybe not. Bearish candle. Kind of. Not bullish. Let's see 55. Ooh, 55. Yeah, we're going to dump. Oh my goodness. I mean, maybe chases? I don't know. There was a clean IFPG. There was one. There was one clean IFPG. The 10-second. held the inception gap. That was A+. He was hoping for a 15-second there, didn't get it. Yeah, I know. Yeah, that would have been nice. I just saw the woman in OB. I was like, I guess that'll do. Yeah, there was a 10-second short, man. It was A+. You missed it, Con. It's already up 30-something points, 40 points almost. We're going all the way back for the LRLR now, guys. We got 3.5 minutes. I thought I was getting off stream early today, but I don't know. The price action's been too crazy. Yeah, I know. I mean, I guess I'm better than Peter Tuckman, man, because I said I was feeling more shorts here. I wasn't really feeling the longs. So, I don't know. And I would have caught way more than 20 points. I'm just saying, like, cool, dude. You can trade with $1 billion worth of leverage and make 2 mil. I hope to get there one day. Except when I'm 75, I won't be trading and making 2 mil. I'll be making 100 mil a trade. All right. Just saying. Peter, what color's your Lambo? That's what I'm trying to figure out. Can't wait for the 10K from me next year. Oh, yes. Wait. What was the agreement? If I made how much? A milli? I said 10K on a milli? I said I donate 1% to the Swig Foundation? Goodness. Maybe 10K pesos or something. Oh, it swings on a list. All right. Well, this is dumping. Oh my good. Like, it's already up 75 points. Hey, W call Peter Tuckman. Crunk. I don't know. Trunk. Not trunk. I don't know. Did anybody chase shorts? That's where I would have sold, by the way. I'd be all out there. Low inside the gap. You don't know if this is going to break and head lower. Did I say 10 second? Yeah, it was a 10 second. I was just joking, but there was an opportunity there. Could have just like shorted the 1 minute OB or shorted the gap there, whatever it is. 30 seconds till close. Oh! Banger A+ setup. Wait. Light bulb. After 4 o'clock again. What did I say? Cover all at that low. I mean, hindsight, but... No close. Womp womp. I guess we're dumping. Okay, Wordle real quick and then we'll be done. I don't know. Hurry? No. It can't be Curry because there's no R here. Bad news, stream broke? How? I don't think so. I don't know. I don't know what this is. I think it's like something like this. Right word with an I? Yeah, I know. That's where I'm going. I'm just trying to figure out where the U fits in. Maybe it's burpee? Oh, I thought that was a word. I guess it's spelled like, yeah. Ooh. So R in the first spot. R in the first spot. Can't be rusty. Could be rugby. I like that. Rugby it is. Yes, it is. There we go. Good job, Con. All right, on